Now at 4, a smash and grab for guns and ammo. Police in New Jersey released this video of 4 suspects breaking into a gun store in Burlington County early yesterday morning. They were able to make off with various firearms and all types of ammunition. Authorities are now asking for the public's help in tracking them down. It is Tuesday afternoon. I'm Sarah Bloomquist.
And I'm Brian Taft. The big story on Action News today is that brazen burglary at Urban Tactical Firearms in Marlton. Now, in addition to that video of the suspects, police also released video of the getaway car, hoping it might lead to an arrest.
Action News New Jersey correspondent Trish Hartman spoke with investigators today. She's live in Marlton with what we know. Trish.
Well, Sarah, Brian, the shop is closed today. You can see the glass doors that were smashed have already been repaired. Police say the suspects were in and out of the building in less than 2 minutes, and they're hoping that someone recognizes the people in this surveillance video. The suspects, dressed in black, climb out of the windows of a white vehicle. Then they start breaking down the door of Urban Tactical Firearms on Route 70 in Marlton.
At first, they attempted to use a hammer to break the glass. That was ineffective. They then used a landscaping rock that was brought with them.
Police say it happened Monday morning around 2:30. Once they were inside, police say they smashed glass cases and stole 5 guns, plus ammunition.
By all appearance of this burglary, they came here for the specific purpose to burglarize this business and to steal guns. That purpose is problematic in why they're looking for stolen firearms.
Police say their getaway car, a white, newer model Hyundai Elantra, was possibly stolen because they climbed through the windows instead of opening the doors. The Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, and Firearms came out to the store yesterday to inspect. Police say they're looking into if this could be related to similar burglaries in Pennsylvania.
We'd like to identify this group and recover those firearms before they're used to hurt or injure an innocent person.
Now, we reached out to the business by calling and emailing. So far, we have not heard back. Police say they are increasing patrols in this area. Anyone with any information on the suspects or the vehicle should contact Evesham Township Police. Reporting live in Marlton, New Jersey, Trish Hartman, Channel 6, Action News. Brian.
Okay, Trish, thank you. Authorities responding